I'm sure you will enjoy all the discussions that we have had, because in this program I'm going to unravel a lot of things about the business, not only from the finance point of view, but also from the long term perspective, as to how a company becomes so big, what goes behind in the minds of the people who become so big. So let's see, Tata, what do you think is the purpose of a business?
Earning money.
Earning money, yes, of course.
It's like to attain the common goal of the group.
Common goal of the group, actually. Okay, that is purpose of a business, yes, of course, yeah.
For business growth and making money.
Business growth and making money, of course, yeah.
Purpose of a business is to solve the larger needs of the society.
Larger needs of the society.
And a profit.
And a profit, of course, yes, of course, it has to be, yeah.
So the purpose of business is to create wealth creation for the stakeholders and the people working around.
Wealth creation for the stakeholders, okay, very good. Yeah.
For the purpose of the business, for me is actually they have answered most of this. I'm trying to find out something else other than what they have answered.
Yeah.
So it is more of an giving to the society.
Giving to the society. More it is giving to the society. Very good.
Purpose of business is profitability. Of course, it is there for making profit, as well as for a social cause.
Social
employment.
Social employment, yes, of course, very good.
I remember your IODs, this thing, you said profit is not negotiable. So profit is by default there, so it is not non-negotiable.
Right, okay. Yes.
Purpose of business is to earn money and to gain a name.
To earn money and get name, yes, of course.
Yeah, purpose of business as per as my opinion it is for profit and to serve the society.
Profit and to serve the society, yes, of course.
Earn money, cash.
Earn money,
Generate cash.
Very good, right, cash. Very good. Now, friends, why I am discussing this question? I am discussing this question because this question is not as simple as it appears. अगर ये क्वेश्चन का आंसर दिमाग में फिट बैठ जाए, life becomes autopilot, and I'm sure you will feel that life really becomes autopilot. You automatically start taking right kind of decisions, because you do not have to think about what to do, what not to do, because once you know what is the purpose, there is no ambiguity. So most people would think that the purpose of a business is to make profit, and I can tell you that's not correct. And why do I say that's not correct? And it is because if the purpose of a business was to make profit, then you would not see a company called Google. Why? Larry Page and Sergey Brin, the founders of Google, in the very first year of their operations made profit. And they would have said, purpose of a business is to make profit. We have earned profit. Purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. If the purpose of a business was to make profit, you would not see a company called Apple. Why? Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, the founder of Apple, in the very first year of their operation made profit, and they would have said the same thing, that the purpose of a business is to make profit. We have earned profit. The purpose is achieved. Let us close the business. And if the purpose of a business was to make profit, then you would not see a group called ArcelorMittal, which is world's largest steel and mining company. Why? Mr. Lakshminivas Mittal, in the very first year of his operations, made profit, and he would have said the same thing, that the purpose of a business is to make profit. I have earned profit, purpose is achieved, let us close the business. And therefore, please remember, the purpose of a business is not to make profit. And why do I say so? I say so because in business, making profit is non-negotiable. In business, making profit is imperative. In business, making profit is not a matter of choice. In business, if you are in business, you better make profit. So profit is not the purpose of the business. Profit in business you have to make. Then the question is, what is purpose of a business? And the purpose of a business that we need to understand is to create value. Now, see, this is what drives a true businessman. A true businessman, and remember when I say businessman, it does not mean a person who owns a business as an owner. A person who is working in a company, he may be an executive, working executive, but by mindset, he can still be a businessman. And I'm sure a lot of examples can come to your mind when somebody is working in a company, but truly speaking, he is working in a company, but he is a businessman because he is thinking from a businessman's perspective. So what is the purpose of a business? Purpose of a business is to create value. Business, remember, is an engine for bringing socio-economic transformation in any society of any part of the world. So that is the purpose of a business. And what is purpose of a business is to create value. And what is the meaning of creating value? The meaning of creating value is very simple. The meaning of creating value is to make this world a better place to live today than what it was yesterday. And if you deeply analyze, you will find people who stuck with this philosophy, their businesses have lasted for more than a century. So Tatas continue to be in the business because Tatas continue to believe that we are in business not for maximizing wealth for ourselves. We are in business for creating value for the societies. Birlas have done, so many of have done, and I just two names come to my mind. So today if you see Premji, Azim Premji is doing, Narayan Murthy is doing, so many Bill Gates is doing it, Warren Buffett is doing it. So what they are doing, they are basically working for creating value creation. Now the question that should come to our mind, how do you create value? So how do you create value? You create value by converting resources into result. By discussing this, friend, at the outset, what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to build a background. I'm trying to build a foundation in the minds of every one of us on which we can build the edifice of long growth, sustainable growth for our business and for also our personal life. So how do you create value? How do you create value, all of you?